Hi, today I'll be interviewing Matt Bear on how to make a paper airplane. He's been doing this his whole life, so he's going to show me his tricks. Hi, I'm here with Matt Bear. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a paper airplane.
First thing you're going to have to do is get a white sheet of paper. It can be any color, but same size as regular computer paper. You're going to take your paper, you're going to fold it in half the long ways. You fold yours?
Yeah.
And second, to make the tip of your airplane, you're going to bend the front corners to about a third way through the paper on both sides. You're going to take the wing, the 2/3 that you have left, and you're going to fold them down.
Okay.
On both sides. And once it's folded down, then you're going to take it from the point and bring that back down this way. Do that on both sides. Then you're going to refold down the legs on each side. You take your paper airplane and you let it fly.
Wow, thanks Matt. Those are some awesome paper airplanes. I hope you guys enjoyed and use his tricks the next time you try to make one yourself.